I want to talk about the RRD Beluga wingfoil set that I bought by You Love It, Germany. So I'm a beginning wingfoiler and I saw the set on the Germany side from You Love It. And I bought it with a leash, but it was the wrist leash for the wing and not a waist leash for the board. I chose the 125 liters because I'm a beginner and wanted some volume. It was only the universal set with 2400 blades, so I chose that one. And I chose the 5-meter wing because that's most universal for beginners. So in came the foil set and that was okay. It came before the board and as you can see it was quite okay. It was packaged good and no problems there. In the meantime I mounted it and it's okay. It's a nice looking set, carbon with a 85 centimeter mast and stainless steel screws. So also came in the wing. It is nicely packed. It was also okay, so I inflated it. Typical, there are two inflation systems where I'm thought it was one. And there are no struts connecting to the upper part, upper bladder, if you will. So here you can see it. It's a nice wing. It has a nice shape to it. Here are some details. So if you buy this set, you know what to expect. All looks good. The board came later. It had to come from Riccardo Ricci Designs from Italy. It was packaged with a carton box and some paper around it, and there was the problem. The board had very much damages to it. It had quite some dents. It had some unexplained, I don't know what it was. It looked like rods, warts on this place. Other dents in the sides of the board, and the biggest damage was the nose that was cracked. So I sent it back. So about 1 week later came the next box. Also the box was a little bit damaged, but not that much as the previous. And what I saw, they had done 3 cardboard boxes around the board this time instead of 1. And that was a lot better, although the box was still damaged. But the board came out and that was fine. Couldn't find any major damages to it. Very slight dents, but not noticeable. So I think it doesn't get any better than this, so I kept the board. And well, soon I will be trying it. At the moment it is very cold here. It's still at night around 0 degrees or under that. And here you can see the end result of the board. On the left, the foil, and I also bought a 6-meter Nova wing. It also came with mounting screws for the foil and with foot straps, so it's quite complete.